Welcome back to Crypto 618 channel, and in today's video we're going to take a look at how to make money when Bitcoin dumps. You may not be aware of it, but there is a little thing called Bybit and you can jump on that and make some money. So before we get started, if you would like to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. Let's get into it. So the one we're going to take a look at is Bybit. So I'll jump into it now. This is just going to be a quick little video, not going to go too much in depth, but I just want to give you another strategy for making money when Bitcoin dumps. So we jump on to Bybit, it's bybit.com, and come along here, you can sign up. I'll leave a link below if you want to use that. It's just my referral link. If you don't, that's cool. And we'll just click on start trading. Now normally it didn't take long to set the account up. It's pretty straightforward. You just do the normal, send through the information, and it doesn't take long to set up at all. So what we're going to look at is these are the different markets you've got. Just click on the market page and you'll see all the different things. Now with this, if you're not familiar with a lot of these exchanges, they have spot and they have like derivatives. So spot is like what you're used to. So when you see BTC USDT, and you can see there's $28,918. You can buy that if you've got, say, USD to buy it. And also if you have BTC in your wallet, you can then also sell that. And that is what spot pricing is. With derivatives though, these are a little bit different, and there is different types of derivatives. But for example, on this one with the BTC USDT, what this means is you can actually open up a trade either long or short. Long meaning that you anticipate it to go up and you're going to make money off that, or short meaning you're anticipating it to go down and you'll make money off it from going down. So what we're going to take a look at is the USDT perpetual. So we come along here, this is where the trade for spot trading is, and there's lots of other features that have, but we're going to take a look at derivatives, USDT perpetual, and we come along here and do BTC USDT, and we click on that one. So it's really easy to get started, and you don't really need too much money to get started at all. And with this account, you'll need USDT. So you can actually bring in other forms of crypto, but for this purpose, I'm just showing you, you would probably use USDT. So you transfer USDT, and you'll need to do that via here under crypto deposit if you've already got USDT, or you can use these other methods. And once that gets into your account, it'll appear down here under assets. Normally it will come through into your spot account, and you just need to go into your spot account and then transfer it into your derivatives account, and that will appear under here, equity derivatives account. So once you have some assets in there, you can get started. So this is how you would make money from Bitcoin going down. So let's say we're looking at the 1 hour. Let's say we look at the daily. Let's have a look at this on the chart. Let's make that a little bit bigger, like so. So let's say from here we think that it's going to be bearish. So what we'd do is, let's say the price is 28958. That's fine, and let's say we don't think it's going to go above 31562. So our stop loss would be 31562, like so. And then we click on this little here, and it would give us a confirmation window. But when you type this in, it will say here last traded price is 31562, which will trigger a market stop loss order. Your expected loss will be $2.61 in USDT, and that's because our order value is $28. So obviously if we had put in 1 BTC here, the order value would be literally $28,930, and if we have our stop loss, your expected loss will be $2,626. So if you don't have that kind of funds in your account, you don't want to risk that type of thing, you don't trade the whole of Bitcoin, you would just trade a small partial of it. So we'll just go back to that. So, and if this is too small for you and you want to make a little bit more, then you might just make it, for example, 0.0 0.01, in which case, in this case, the expected loss would be $26. And you want to keep this, for your whole portfolio, you want to keep this low, anywhere between, depending on the size of the portfolio, but anywhere from 2.5 to 5% of your portfolio. You want to keep your expected loss quite low. But for this example, let's just say we leave it at that. And then what we do is we open a position here. We would just click this little button. Oh, that's right. We have an error. That's fine. Probably because I've got to put. Let's just put back to 0.1. Let's try that again. Sell short. Again, it always comes up with confirmation unless you tick that box to get rid of it. And you just need to check it again. So what it's going to do is tell you exactly what quantity, what's the cost. In this case, it's nearly $29. The order value, your liquidation price, and your profit and stop loss. And we just want to secure that stop loss of 31,562. So what I'll do is I'll just show you this example. And so then what you can do is you can confirm that like so. And it says your order's been filled, and then you'll see these on the screen. So there's will be your stop loss level, and this will be your whether or not you're in profit, and this tells you exactly how much of a position you have. If we come back out of this screen here, you'll see down here that this is the order value, the entry price, and the mark price, liquidation price. I'll go into another video on what mark and liquidation price are, but this essentially the liquidation price is this price over here, which is the mark price is this price here, and whatever your liquidation price is, when the mark price hits that, that's when you get liquidated, and you don't want to get liquidated. So then with the position margin, this is how much margin you'll be using in your account. And this is your unrealized profit and loss, okay? And over here, this is where you set your stop loss. And what you would do is, at the moment, we're in 1 cent, so we're in 1 cent profit. We would then we could close out of that if we wanted to by pressing the X on the trade and confirm. And we could then check our closed position, and we could see our last trade here, and it shows the closed profit and loss of around about 2 cents. So it gives you an idea of how to do it, and obviously there's a little bit more to it, but I just wanted to show you that there is opportunity to actually make money while Bitcoin is going down or while you're expected to go down. So yeah, it's just something I've been using just for a little while. I've only really just started Bybit, been trading for a little bit now, but Bybit is relatively new to me. And but yeah, finding it really easy compared to some of the other exchanges that I've used. So I will do some more videos in the future. If you've got any questions about what I've covered today, just put them in the comments below. And I will be doing some more videos on Bybit because it's a pretty cool platform, and we'll let you know how it goes. All right, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Just hit the thumbs up if you have, and if you would like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. You can always support the channel. Just come over here and click support the channel, and that'll take you to our private Discord where you can sign up, and also you can subscribe to our newsletter, and this will give you the latest vids directly into your inbox. Now I think that's all I have for you today. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks guys. Bye.